Hey guys, Russ here. I wanted to share, I guess, an update for my learning, and that relates to the apps and the different accounts that are connected with your vehicle. So I had some confusion about this to begin with, but I'm really clear now and I want to share that with you. So I've unlocked the car with my wife's phone using her app, and if we go up here to the little profile picture, her account is 737. Okay, now if she's using the car, using her app, she will have her own seating and mirror positions set, and she'll obviously want that to be the case when she's driving. So you can see here that in the driving sort of settings under drive here, you can see that she's on standard and she's set it the way that she likes it. But importantly, so that we can differentiate, she's on standard. And again, over here, we've got 737, which is her account, and she's selected her own little driver habit. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to log in with my app. So we're going to have to do that by switching accounts. So I press switch accounts, and now I need to open my app, and in the top right hand corner, the little scanner, I put it towards the QR code and it'll scan it. And now I need to select confirm and sign in. Now we should see some changes now. So it says welcome back. Seat settings, vehicle control settings have been synced. Now, my seat's still moving back, which is a lot further back than my wife's, so I'm confident now that my seating and my external mirrors have been adjusted. But you can also see it change to individual. Now, our settings are quite similar, but I use the individual setting here, where she uses the standard one. Now, there's other settings within the menu that are slightly different between our two driving settings anyway. But if we go back over here to the little profile, you can see that it's 070, so that's my account number. My wife was, I think, 73, and mine is 70. Now you can still, so that's working. We're gonna do that the opposite way now. I'm going to open my wife's app and get that ready. And now I'll just go back a couple of screens because she's on a different screen. So now we're going to click the little profile. We're going to switch accounts, and we're going to bring up the little scanner, and we're going to scan the QR code. Confirm and sign in, and we'll see 737 welcome back. I can feel the seat adjusting and the vehicle control settings moved back to standard. Okay, again, there are other other settings that will be different between our two accounts, but that's just to emphasize that the settings and the seating positions have been changed. Now I've got to change this because I'm just about to lose my kneecaps, I think, because I'm sitting a long way forward. That's better as I get some leg room here. All right, so that's really clear to me now. I think I had some confusion early on about, different settings and different apps, and I remember thinking, why would you bother, with the app and opening it up and scanning and switching accounts when it's just so easy to press this button and change? But it only changes the seating position and the external mirrors. Nothing else changes. None of these driver settings change. So that's some clarity for me now, and I wanted to share that with you and sort of update you with where I'm at with that. But it also now leaves me with another question, which I'll throw out to the community. So please help with a comment if you can see what I'm missing here. And just quickly, by the way, thank you for all the support. The comments are great. I love replying to them all. I've got a list now of probably 30 different videos I need to create to help answer different questions for people who have left their comments. So I will get to them as I can. Wife and I are trying to run a business in the meantime, but this is a hobby on the side that I'm really enjoying. And so I will get to those videos as soon as I can, and I'll tick them all off. But thank you for the comments, and thank you for the tips and the help, and for obviously subscribing and hitting the like button, all of that stuff. I understand now why YouTubers say that it really motivates them to keep spending time creating videos. So thank you very much. Anyway, back to this. Let's click on that. Why on earth would you need up to 6 different driver habits? So they're not profiles as such. I call this little icon in the top here a profile, which I think is probably fair enough. But now all of these little tabs here are all different driver habit settings for this driver, for this account. So, I mean, we've been using it a bit slack. I would just say, well, why not just press your own button? But obviously it doesn't change the driver settings as well. And that's why you wouldn't bother just pressing the button. Instead, you would log into your own account. But why would you need up to 6 different driver habits? I mean, I just titled one fast charging. Maybe you're fast charging and you want to press that button, knowing that your driver's seat's going to lower all the way back and you can rest while you're waiting to charge. But other than that, I just don't understand why you would need so many, unless there are other things other than just the seating position and external mirrors that you can change. You can go into manage, again, up to 6 habits. So it can memorize the driver's seat position, external side mirrors, and up to 6 habits. Up to 6 habits. Seating, mirrors, and up to 6 habits. I wonder what those habits could be. Maybe something to do with lighting, or I'm not sure, but I'll keep playing with that. But if you already know the answer, please share. Now, lucky last thing, if you wanted to update one of these tabs, you can simply press and hold, and that'll bring up the renaming option. You can get rid of that. If you click where the orange or the green line is, rather, you'll get the keyboard. Maybe I might change that to guest or whatever, if I could spell guest, and we'll give that a whirl. Okay, but again, it doesn't seem to be a way to get rid of that now. I don't want that anymore, but I don't seem to be able to get rid of it. Up to 6 habits, mirrors and seats, and up to 6 habits. If you can think of another habit that I could program into one of these, please let me know. Otherwise, thanks for all your support, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.